Exercise 21. The graph of y equals f of x is a line in the xy plane that passes through the point 0, -3 and has a slope of 4. Which of the following equations defines the function f? So we know that this is a line. We also know that one of the forms that a line could be written in is the slope-intercept form, which is the form y equals mx plus c. And the reason we call this form slope-intercept is because this is the slope and this is the y-intercept. So, based on the given information, m is 4, we know that, and the y-intercept, it's -3 because we were told that this line crosses or passes through the point with coordinates 0 and -3. So, overall, the function's equation would have been 4x minus 3, which makes D the right choice for this specific exercise.